The all-women cockpit crew of Air India scripted history on January 11. In a historic 17-hour flight, the cockpit crew operating Air India's inaugural San Francisco flight reached Bengaluru, the capital of Karnataka. The AI-176 flight left the San Francisco airport on 9th January at 8:30 am. After a long flight time of 17 hours, the aeroplane landed at the Bengaluru airport at 3:45 am on January 11. The all-women cockpit crew received a grand welcome at the Kempegowda International Airport. Captain Zoya Agarwal, Captain Papagari Tanmay, Captain Akanksha Sonaware, and Captain Shivani Manas were the members of the crew that made the historic flight. Captain Zoya Agarwal was elated and said that the day is historic.
From flying from two diametrically points on the globe, which is San Francisco to Bengaluru. If you see the globe, they are on two exact diametrics points. So today is the day we create world history by not only flying the route over the North Pole, by having all women pilots who successfully did it, and it is also amongst one of the world's longest flights. So we are extremely happy and proud to be part of it, and we are extremely thrilled that our government, our airline has instilled this trust in us, and we all did it together as a team.
Captain Akanksha Sonaware praised Air India for having the most number of female pilots.
Air India has the maximum number of lady pilots in this world. So I don't think they should think like that. They're very safe with us when they fly. Whatever distance, wherever they go.
The team of 4 women became the first all-women crew to operate flights over the North Pole on their way to Bengaluru. The crew operated a Boeing 777-200 aeroplane named as Kerala. Air India tweeted an image of the route which showed the flight entering the polar region. The flight, which started from the San Francisco airport, moved over the North Pole before it reached Bengaluru. Captain Shivani Manas praised Air India and said that a lot of preparations went behind the historic flight.
It was quite an exciting experience since, it's never been done before. So there's a lot of hard work that's gone into the flight. Actually, we have been preparing for it, and the entire team of Air India has put in a lot of effort to put this together. But it was quite an exciting experience, I think, for all of us.
In a press release, Air India had said that based on the wind speed, the operator might opt for the polar route as it will save flying time, fuel consumption, and reduce the carbon footprint. Captain Papagari Tanmay said that due to the polar route, the operator saved a significant amount of fuel.
It's always been working to get our passengers back home as safely as possible, and obviously as soon as possible too.
How much fuel do you think you save?
See, we save right from 2,000 kgs to about 10,000 kgs on this routing. This is a special routing which we're trying to do over the polar region, as close to the North Pole as possible. And today, that's what we did.
Minister of Civil Aviation Hardeep Singh Puri commended the all-women crew for achieving the feat.